It's an amazing product for what it is because you can plug it into the wall, which is a unique design. I always do solar. Hey guys, I'm doing this review for JoeteckTips. I decided to do something a little different. I hope he is happy with the review that I do. This is an indoor and outdoor light. It's an LED and it's motion, and you can plug it into the freaking wall, and it's really cool. Hey yo, hey, how you doing? So we're going to review this LED light bulb. Hey, you see this fucking light over here? Hey, you know what I'm talking about? Hey, forget about it. We got this LED fucking light over here. It's fucking 20 watts of fucking power. I'm reading right from the fucking box, and we're gonna do an unboxing of it, and I hope you like it. 120-degree viewing fucking angle for the goddamn light. So let's do the unboxing now. I'm a little nervous. 50,000 fucking hours of LED light. Where the fuck are you gonna find something like that? Ooh, bubble wrap. This is fucking amazing shit, man. This is really nice. Oh, wait a minute. This can do 2200 lumens. What the fuck is 2200 lumens? I have no idea what the fuck that is. I'm just reading it off the fucking box. What? It's supposed to plug in. Where's the wire? Oh, there it is. There's the wire. It's right here. It's right here. It plugs right in. Look how different it is. This is different, and it plugs into the wall. I like it. 12-meter distance. What the fuck? 12 meters. Holy shit. This is a fucking amazing. And you know what's really fucked up? It can do indoor and outdoor. This is fucking amazing. It's real simple, real basic. Nothing fancy about it. It's really bright. Considering it's only 20 watts, I think it's pretty. It may be brighter than that. I'm not quite sure. I'm not really. So it's 2200 lumens. If you have if you want to have if you need a light by your pool filter or something like that, and you have an outlet, this is perfect. LED. You have to worry about it's waterproof. It'll work 100% perfectly. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm going to give this a 4-star rating because I'm not really quite sure about the settings. It's a little unclear. So for that, it's going to get a 4-star rating. But I have a funny feeling this is going to work out really well for indoor use and any place that has an outlet. And it'll work really well. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. I was a little weird today. I apologize. If you like it, comment below. If not, I'm sorry. And if you want to become a member, hit the join button below. I apologize. I decided to go off a little bit. The light is really good. I'm giving it a 4-star rating. It gives enough light. It's an amazing product for what it is because you can plug it into the wall, which is a unique design. I always do solar or battery operated LEDs, and this is a little different than the typical. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.